Hello world, I am Chris from American Rotary Phase Converters, and welcome to our first video in this exciting series where we'll be covering phase converters, industrial power, who American Rotary is, as well as many other topics. What is a rotary phase converter, you might ask? Well, a rotary phase converter uses an induction generator or motor to manufacture an additional leg to add to the existing utility service. In turn, you can easily get cost-effective three-phase power from your single-phase utility lines. Rotary phase converters produce AC electric power to operate three-phase equipment such as motors, inductive and resistive loads. We will discuss the more technical sides of this in the future videos. So why would you need one? Well, three-phase power is not always available to be brought into a location where you might need it. The cost to bring in three-phase power to a residential or commercial building can also be very expensive, and time involved to get it brought in can be quite lengthy. What equipment can you run on a rotary phase converter? Well, you can really run any type of three-phase equipment on a rotary phase converter. American Rotary has customers in many industries such as agricultural, machining, woodworking, automotive, metalworking, and food service. However, not all rotary phase converters are created equal, and not all manufacturers care about you and your needs. You want to make sure that you choose a manufacturer that is reputable and that will guide you through the buying process. So why American Rotary? Well, at American Rotary, we believe in creating customers for life. We know that this is an important purchase, and therefore we work with you and your electrician from start to finish, and we will continue to offer support even after you make that purchase. Some rotary phase converter manufacturers believe that the relationship ends after you place the order. But at American Rotary, we value the relationships that we have developed with every single one of our customers throughout the buying process, and we love hearing about your success stories. So if you are in the need for a rotary phase converter or would like to learn more about American Rotary Phase Converters, you can contact us via the link below or visit us at AmericanRotary.com. Also, don't forget to like this video and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I hope you have a great day, and remember, if it doesn't carry the American Rotary logo, it's not the real thing.